Alright, today we're looking at a certified 2016 Honda Odyssey SE. Alright, it's got 42,000 miles on it. It's modern steel metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, just one owner. Alright, it was bought brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll start here on the driver's side. It does have the nice chrome trim around the windows. It's your lock unlock button here on the driver's side door handle. Alright, driver's side looks good. It does have the rear backup camera. Alright, make our way down the passenger side. Everything's in really good shape on the exterior of this Odyssey. Alright, it's got your lock unlock button here on the passenger side door handle. Got your blind spot monitoring camera. We'll show you that in just a second. But once again, it's a 16. It's certified, 42,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner, purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, got the black and gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Alright, it's got your dual power rear sliding doors. There's your blind spot monitoring camera button there. Alright, it does have gray cloth. It's a power driver seat. Driver seat's in great shape. It does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat looks good. No problems at all there. Alright, it's got your USB power outlet auxiliary. Got a little storage compartment here. It's going to have your it's got push button start. It's going to have your radio display, dual climate controls, backup camera, and blind spot monitoring camera all right here, and we'll show you that once we get the Odyssey started. Alright, it does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 42,443 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you the display screens here. It's got your time there. Okay, we'll go ahead and activate the backup camera. Alright, it's got the guidelines on it and everything. It's a really nice feature. And then a great safety feature that Honda offers is this blind spot monitoring camera. You can either activate it by pressing the button left of the steering wheel or with the turn signals. But it shows you your a video or a camera here of your blind spot as you're making a lane change. Really nice safety feature there. Okay, it's got your dual climate controls. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Got your push button start over here. Alright, and then your audio or stereo display. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Alright, it does have the dual rear power sliding doors. You can simply hit these buttons here, and that's going to open up both of them. Alright, carpet looks good back here, second row. Second row cloth looks good. No issues at all there. Alright, it does have this center piece right here, the center seat. It can also come out of the Odyssey, but you can pull this handle here. Bear with me one second. Let me pull this down. Okay, or it can come down like this. Got your cup holders, a little storage area. Okay, or it can come all the way out of the vehicle. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the third row. Alright, it's in really good shape, no problems here. Interior of this Odyssey is in fantastic shape, well taken care of. Alright, does have the Honda vacuum cleaner here, got your power outlet, got a nice little plastic cargo tray back here for protection. Alright, and this third row will fold down into here. Alright, and it really opened it up back here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the passenger side over here. One more thing I want to show you. Alright, it does have the DVD player. Okay. And also 2 sets wireless headphones. Okay. And also we can close the doors pressing that button there. Check out the wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys. Alright. Tires are in fantastic shape. Brand new set of tires here. Alright, once again, it's a certified 2016 Honda Odyssey SE. It's got 42,000 miles on it. It's well taken care of inside and out. It's a clean Carfax, just one owner. Okay, it was bought brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.